Familiar ka ba sa staircase na to? Hello, Potterheads! This is the making of Harry Potter Warner Brothers Studio Tour sa Tokyo, Japan. In this video, we'll show you yung exact journey namin throughout the whole studio tour. Before getting here, make sure to get your tickets first sa Klook para naman pagdating mo dito, scan ka na lang ng QR code. Here we go! After a short train ride, nakarating na kami sa studio. 2:30 pa yung slot namin, pero pumunta kami ng 1:30 para makakain muna sa The Food Hall. Para kami nasa Hogwarts! Dahil Halloween, we tried this pumpkin soda and the Halloween burger. From the regular menu naman tong Great Hall Feast. As expected, medyo may kamahalan ng food sa loob, syempre kasi Harry Potter themed. And then, at 2:30, we started the tour. We are not expecting that much kasi sabi namin, ano lang siguro to, parang studio lang ng Harry Potter, ganon. So baka 30 minutes tapos na tayo. Pero nag-intro yung tour guide na 4 hours daw usually to tinutour. Ang laki pala na to. Pero kami, 3 hours namin siya na-take. First, nakita namin yung food hall. Some of the important characters are also here, like si Snape. Then, just like what I show sa intro, napuntahan namin yung famous staircase ng Hogwarts. We even got a chance to have our Hogwarts portraits, yung mga gumagalaw na pictures. Then we saw yung mga important rooms like yung bedroom nila Harry and ni Ron. Andito rin yung office ni Dumbledore. Another interactive part, we get to be a part of the Quidditch match.
He's got the snitch! Harry Potter receives 150 points for catching the snitch!
And then we saw the other props that were used. Tara, attend tayo ng potion class. May mga performances din, so don't miss it, okay? Do you remember this mirror? He who shall not be named is also here. Naalala niyo yung scene kung saan ang dark sa labas ng Hogwarts and pumunta sila Ron, sila Harry Potter? May part na ganoon din dito. Plus the other darkness na na-experience nila Harry. Next part, bahay naman ni Hagrid. And we also get to try yung butter beer. Buti dito walang pila and you get to keep yung cup. Meron pa silang washing area. The night bus is here! Let's get ready to go to Hogwarts! Papunta na nga tayo sa Hogwarts kasi eto na yung train. And yes, andito yung entrance sa puntang Hogwarts Express. Mayroon din palang part ng train na pwede mo explore and you can see sila Harry, sila Ron, ayan, while on their journey sila. Do you wanna go sa Diagon Alley? Yes, meron Diagon Alley dito. And then, medyo creepy pero ang awesome, merong animatronics pala sa double ni Hagrid. Ayan no, ang galing, parang gumagalaw na head, mag-isa! The Monster Book of Monsters. Neville's Plant. Of course, may Mandrake din. And then, here's the part na hindi pwede ko na video, pero we bought the video para makuha namin yung video namin. This is us riding the broomstick. Andito ko na lang din sa studio, might as well try mo na to and purchase your videos and pictures. At the end of the tour, you will see yung awesome Hogwarts Castle. Before or after your tour, pwede kang bumay ng souvenirs. Merong costumes and wands dito. Realization nga namin, sana we bought the costume and the wand first para pack na pack, diba, habang nagtutour kami. Anyway, I ended up buying Dobby. That's it! That's a quick glimpse of the tour. 4 hours siya, kaya mas maganda, see it for yourself. Okay? Enjoy!